In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Dreamweaver. Let's start by opening the page where you want the table to appear. In Dreamweaver, open your HTML file and choose the view that suits you best. Design View gives you a clean visual workspace. Live View shows a browser-like preview, and Split View lets you see both the design and the underlying code at the same time. If you're planning to fine-tune the markup as you go, Split View is a great choice. Before moving on, it's also a good idea to save your file so you can quickly undo major changes if needed. Next, place your insertion point exactly where you want the table to go. Click in the document area at the intended location. Make sure your cursor is inside the main content area of your page and not tucked inside a heading or a navigation element. If you're unsure, a quick glance in Split View can confirm you're within the body content where a table makes sense. Now it's time to insert the table. Go up to the top menu and choose Insert, then Table. Dreamweaver will open a dialog box with the table settings. This is where you define the structure and presentation. Enter the number of rows and columns you need. If your first row will be a title row, choose a header option so Dreamweaver marks it up appropriately for accessibility. Set the table width in pixels for a fixed layout, or use a percentage if you want the table to scale with the page. Border thickness controls the visible grid lines. A border of 0 creates a clean, invisible grid that you can style later with CSS. Cell padding adds space inside each cell so text doesn't touch the edges, while cell spacing controls the gap between cells themselves. If the dialog offers a caption or summary, consider adding them for clarity and accessibility. When everything looks right, click OK, and Dreamweaver will insert the table at your cursor. With the table in place, click into any cell and start adding your content. Type text, paste from another document, or insert images just as you normally would. You can navigate between cells with the Tab key to move forward and Shift+Tab to move backward, which speeds up data entry. Keep an eye on Live View or your browser preview to verify that the table looks the way you expect. Finally, save your page. If you need to refine spacing, borders, or alignment, you can revisit the table's properties or apply CSS for a more polished, consistent design.